Scarifying down high areas is a great way to level a bowling green. Generally, high areas are the healthiest parts of the green and will recover the quickest after leveling. My laser scarifying machine has a 240 volt electric motor and blades which spin backwards to ensure a nice clean cut. The scarifier is fitted with a laser receiver which lowers the cutting blades to remove only the high areas of the green. The first step is to survey the green. Most of this green is within 6 mm. This green has been laser top dressed several times and most of the low areas have been taken care of. The main undulations are now due to high areas. The high areas are marked and then the scarifier is used to slowly remove them. Each time a high area is sensed by the laser receiver, the blades are automatically lowered. Once the area is flat, the scarifier then goes over the entire area once more with the blades level with the front and rear rollers to maximize smoothness. The last step is for the whole green to be scarified 2 ways. This blends the scarified areas in with the rest of the green and also removes more soil from the high areas. The green can then be top dressed with 1 to 2 mm of soil. The aim of this leveling technique is to reduce downtime to 3 weeks while also maximizing smoothness across the entire green. For more information, please don't hesitate to contact me.